Make a great choice today with the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.